Well, hello. Happy Tuesday. It took me a minute to process what day we were at. Anybody else getting their days mixed up? I'm trying to fix that camera. Okay, so I just wanted to jump on, one, as a friendly reminder, to let you know, if you haven't already and you're interested, today's the last day for the pre-order. So we need to get those in so that we can get them ordered and shipped out in July, or what is that? End of July is when we promised. But today is the last day. So if you haven't heard, we did bring out of the Kiwi Vault our June and our July Kiwi Club items, and we decided to make them available since many of you guys have been asking for years, because coming up in June it will be 2 years that it's been in the vault. So exciting. And if you already placed your orders, then maybe some of these ideas and refreshers that I show you will get you all excited again. And you could start prepping your pictures so that when you do get your kit, you know what you're going to create with it, right? So I don't actually have any of the physical paper because it's not available right now. But I do have what I have created with this kit when we released it. And so I'm going to give you guys a peek into my personal scrapbook here. Okay. So Adventures in Weights. It comes with a very cute paper, may I add. So that kind of gives you a glimpse. So you're not going to be able to see me in the book. So when I first got it, I actually had these pictures of camping. And so, of course, if you're outdoors, you love camping, I used them on my Yellowstone, which I'll show you here in a minute if you haven't had a chance to see those. So that's what's great about Adventures of Weights. It's really cute paper. Here, let me show you that one. An insight to that bear. Really cute stripes that complement it and support it, right? Actually, this memory was my birthday, and it was in 2017, and busy, right? It was the middle of summer. I'm an August baby. The kids have been off to school, but I just was working, and so I was, you know what? I want to get away. Let's go camping. Camping's always a lot of work, but once you get there, you enjoy it, but then it's a lot of work to get home too. But I definitely enjoyed it. Just moments to just unplug, de-stress, and of course be with some of my favorite people. So that's always good. But all of those title cards too come in the kits, so you'll see them right there. And this one's just a pocket page. Can you guys see this? Yeah, it's kind of peeking out over my album here, right? And so all these fun title cards. Of course, when I go camping, I kind of take a lot of pictures. It's kind of one of those things, because it seems like so many picture moments. I don't know, something about camping. One day maybe I'll get a hauling, but actually this is kind of funny because I don't have a camper, but we have a little trailer right there. You can see it right there, right? And basically we fill it, right? We fill that trailer with our bikes and equipment and everything else. Just imagine taking 5 kids camping and then all of that. It's like packing your kitchen sink. That's why it's so much work. But then when you get there, you love it, but then you have to pack it all up and come home and then clean it. It's so much work. But if you're a camper, you love it, then this kit is definitely a must. It's perfect. It's seriously just perfect for those memories. Camping food, oh, the best. Love it. And then, of course, we're always so exhausted and tired. Here, let me give you a close look. So see that one? The trees, which I'm going to show you the accessory set. So with these pre-orders, you can buy just the paper, and the paper alone, it comes with 12 or 10 12 by 12 sheets. They're double-sided, and 16 title cards. Okay, so you get a variety of title cards to choose from, and those are also double-sided so that you can use whatever excess that you have. You can use the alternate side for some embellishments, accessories, so you have even more paper embellishings for that, so that's good. And that is $15 for just the paper. But along with our Adventures and Wait paper line, we came out with the Wilderness. This is the Wilderness. And it includes super fun pieces. So let me give you a close look in case, again, you haven't seen it yet. But if you have, then of course, hopefully your wheels are spinning and you're starting to plan. Yep, this is what I'm gonna scrapbook with this. I know exactly what I'm gonna play with. So you get a little camper, a mountain, a flashlight, tent. I love this tree. It's so much fun. You can also use it for like Christmas or just anything outdoors really, even if it's at the park, different ways to do that. Even if you have pictures of, I don't know if any of you guys have pictures of kiddos making tents. I know when my kids were younger, they were always doing that in the home. So this could be alternate use. So it's not just outdoorsy, find other ways. A little campus. Campuses can be used on inspirational layouts, like a graduation layout. You could use a campus. I think so. And then just a little destination mark. That's really fun to add for little dates or journaling or things like that on your layout. So that is the look at the Adventure Weights. I'm going to show you the Aloha. Oh, hold on. Let me really quickly before I do that. Here's the ones, well, I actually just did these ones. So you guys might have seen them over in the Crafted. But here is my Yellowstone missing the L. Hold on. There we go. I'm going to have to glue those down again. They always pop up. Okay. So just another close look at those different colors and color palettes that come in this kit on those. And then here's an alternate one as well. So I was excited to take my Yellowstone family memories, and of course it worked perfectly for that. The color palette, everything worked perfectly. And then I always, when I have those, I just finish them off and do a couple pocket kits. And I just took the scenery pictures and did that. So, and then super fun in the pockets. So like this one, I just little accents on top of the pictures. So you can kind of see that. And then again, taking advantage of those different title cards and using them in your designs. Okay. We have a teepee in our playroom too. It would be perfect for. Oh, see, Amy, yeah. Yes, the mountains and the pine tree from this set. I've been needing them for all my vacations. Good. Get them prepped. Get your memories prepped. Your pictures printed if you don't have them. And once they come in from the pre-order, you'll be set. And we're so excited to see what the next round of creations you guys do with them. I'm sure I'll be inspired all over again. Okay, so that is the Adventures and Weights. Now, you can just order the templates alone in this pre-sale. This is $14, but if you wanted the full kit, which comes with the paper and the templates, then that is $25. So instead of buying them individually, you can buy them for $25, which will save you the $4 off the full kit. All right? Okay. Then there's the Aloha one. It's bright. It's a little bit, I mean, it's bright, but not bright. Everybody's perspective of bright is different. But I do think it's really, really fun. So for me, I initially, here, let me find that spot. Here, I'm just gonna take this one out so I'm not holding the big album. I scrapbooked my daughter's 16th birthday. So I do have some Hawaii pictures that I end up using with it. But for me, I actually love the colors for different things like this. Pineapples is a big thing. It was a big thing. It's still a big thing. Pineapples is still a big thing, right? And so it was really fun to just take those and document their 16th birthday. Of course, a little fun. Let me give you a close look at some of those patterns and colors again, because I don't have the official paper, but this will give you an idea, a concept of what those look like. And if you have a Kiwi Club or a Kiwi Lane account, then we did send an email out so you can see kind of a little closer up. And if you jump over to the shop, underneath the Kiwi Lane category in the shop, there will be images that you can take a look there as well. All right. And then of course, here, let me show you this one. Let me put this back. Let me put the page back because otherwise you don't put them back and then they just pile up, right? So in my vacation album, so I have a little travel one. So it was really perfect. I'm not gonna lie, it's perfect for Hawaii. So if you guys have any Hawaii memories, then yes, the Aloha line, as far as the paper and the templates, are gonna be perfect for it. But I wanted to point it out because it's also great for like beach pictures, like not just all, you know, Hawaii, but in general, the colors are really fun and vibrant. Like I showed you for my teenagers, their birthday party, their 16th birthday party memories. So very diverse in that too. I think so anyhow. So let me show you that. Here, this one shows a little bit, those patterns a little bit more. See, look just how fun that flower pattern is with the stripe, that supporting stripe pattern. See how cute that is? So we went and we found cheap tickets and my niece lives in Hawaii, and so we slept on an air mattress in her room and we just kept it very cheap, but we needed a getaway, and so we just were looking for a very cheap getaway. And Hawaii, I must add, it was my first time going, was perfect because you can literally just live on the beach for free. It was great. It was amazing. I loved it. Perfect weather. Every time you turned, there was an entry into the beach, and you just could sit there all day. It was amazing. So that was a lot of fun. So on this one, so I did this page. I did this one. We went for a hike, got some nature, good old nature. I took the, there we go, the leaves and then the trails. This is one of the fun border trails, just to make a bigger little pine tree there. Not a pine tree. Anyways, okay. And then it just keeps going. So I did a lot of pockets on this because, again, vacations, I tend to do that. And it really pushed this paper line. So again, the paper line comes with 10 12 by 12 sheets. And so this shows you kind of that naturally what I was able to pull from that. So here's another page where just lots of picture ops, a lot of picture ops in Hawaii, I'm not gonna lie. We picked up a little hammock at Costco when we were there, and $30, and we would just string it up and rest. It was heavenly. The weather was perfect. So that was really, really fun. And that was my first time going to Pearl Harbor, and it was really spiritual. It was really spiritual. So, and then of course, whenever I do pocket pages, I end on a one-pager, and so that kind of wraps this up here with a little nice decorative end one-pager, utilizing all the fun papers and patterns in this. This is in our Oasis a la carte, but if you don't have the Oasis a la carte, you might want to check it out. And then of course I have my next trip. I need another trip, guys. Hopefully this quarantine's done soon. I need another trip. I need something else to add to my travel book. We have taken other trips since then, but let me give you a close look at this tropical. So inside of this line, we have the tropical. And again, you can purchase these separate, right? And if you want them together, you can purchase them together. These are all found underneath the Kiwi Club category in the shop. So the moment that you log into your account, if you have a creative partner, you're tagged to them, your account's already created, and they're linked together. Since in our new system, we automatically link the person that referred you to Kiwi Lane, so you're linked to them as that referred customer, and so I just wanted to share that since it's new in the new system. But also, so just you can log in and you should be able to shop. Okay, if you don't have an account, then you want to make sure that if a creative partner introduces you to Kiwi Lane, we want to give credit where credit's due. So make sure that you follow their share link and get their ID and put them in. All right. All right, here is a look at the tropical. This is the tropical. You always get fun sketches on the back of these, like our other inserts on these. But a pineapple? How many of you guys pineapple fans? I think they're adorable. I really think they're a lot of fun. Yeah, any beach vacations anywhere. I agree. We call it Aloha, but it can absolutely work for any tropicalness at all. It would. Okay, here is a turtle. So even if you're like a zoo or something like that, that can come in handy. A dolphin. So SeaWorld, any SeaWorld memories, those could be perfect. So again, this is that accessory. These are seriously adorable. These leaves, these tropical leaves, are so cute layered. You're gonna see so many samples. You've probably already seen them. I showed you the samples that I personally made with them. I mean, some polka dot green patterns, some darker ones, some bright pink. Like, it's just so fun. You can never, there's no ending to it. And then of course a little fun tropical flower that you can layer together with the leaves. The pineapple, you can collage all those together. Oh, where am I at? How fun will that be? Super cute. So that is the tropical. So hopefully your wheels are spinning, you're getting excited again, looking forward to receiving your pre-order, and in the meantime prepping what memories, what pictures you want to take with this. Or maybe, maybe you can be like out of the box. We've all done it, so I don't feel bad mentioning it, but maybe you plan a trip just so that you can use this paper when you get it from the pre-order. So maybe after all of this, you know, okay, I need a camping trip. I need to go somewhere. If you're a camper and that's your kind of vacation, or you can say, you know what, I'm going to the beach so that I can use my paper. So you take a trip so that you can use your paper. Any of you guys done that? I'm not gonna lie, I might need to do it again. The inspiration is the paper for your next trip. Lots of fun. Robin says she loved the paper kit. She used it for a lot of dance recital pictures. So see, very fun. I love that. Really do. All right. Florida pictures, absolutely. Oh, Gail said she used the Adventure Awaits, or was it the Aloha one for Mexican vacations, and it's perfect. Such fun ways to, and the colors are very, on both of them, I feel like they're very on point. Whether that's the Adventures Weights or the Aloha, they're very, they're just pretty. The colors, the patterns, they all cohesively work together. Of course, we try really hard with our kits to make sure that we do our job so that you don't have to overly think it when you go to sit down and play to create with them yourself. And so the palettes are really fun, very fun color palettes in them. All right, guys, well, that was what I wanted to jump on. I hope all of you guys are staying safe and staying healthy, and that you are having some creativity time. Just keep creating and keep playing and keep connecting on the levels that you can be. So we may be we may be distant, but we can still be social. So keep doing that, and we will tune in later. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye.